Hi creative birdies, how are you today? Today you're staring at my desktop. This video is for those that need help, that those that need help with another method of paying through Facebook. So I have a lady by the name of Lynn. So this video is for Lynn as well. Hi Lynn, how are you? So Lynn wants to purchase a postcard from me. Oh, I need to give the dogs a treat. Hang on. Okay. Lynn wants to purchase a postcard from me, and I know that there's many of you out there that are out of state, out of country, and don't have a PayPal. So there's another way around payments. There's a Facebook application to use for payments. So you just go onto your Facebook, wherever it is that your landing page is, make sure that you're signed in. Go over here. You see my cursor right there moving? Go into Messenger. Click there. Find the person that you're needing to send money to. So once you find the person you're needing to send money to, and for instance I'm here with Lynn, go down here. Let me close this. Sorry about the glare. Alright, down here, right here, this is the bar where you type in your message, and then you press enter, and then your message goes through. Well, there, if you're on a PC, you should be able to see the money sign. Right down there. Do you see where my cursor is? Click that money sign button, and then you'll get this pop up right there. It'll say pay or request money, because you can use this to request money for clients. Send to, if I wanted to send money to Lynn, then you put the amount, and then it says what is this payment for. If you want, you could do that. Here it says Lynn isn't able to receive money right now, and the only reason it says that is because Lynn needs to do her part on her side, or you guys need to do your part on your side, or vice versa. Set this all up, and it's quite simple. Where it says learn more, click learn more, and it'll tell you all sorts of stuff. It'll tell you you have to be 18 years of age. You can send money and receive money. You have to link a bank card or a PayPal. You don't have to have a PayPal, but if you want, you can use your PayPal. That way you can send and receive money. So when you receive money, you'll receive it to whatever bank, debit card or credit. I think it has to be debit card. Any bank card, you'll receive your money from there. If, for instance, Lynn would have to connect hers. It's quite simple. It's a step-by-step process. It's very easy. Anyone around the world can use Facebook Pay. So that's one way. And that's the only way actually I wanted to share with you guys today. So I'm going to sit down and relax. I haven't been in my room today, so that's what I'm going to do. So this was just a quick helper for those that needed help, or just needed to learn how to use Facebook Pay, I think it's called. Facebook Pay. I'm not even sure what it's called. Another thing, if you're doing it through a cell phone, it looks a little different. So, click your Facebook app. Go into your messenger. Yours might be placed in a different place than mine. Click the person. And for instance here, I'm going to tell Lynn, I am uploading a video on my channel to show you how, right? So I want you to see, oh goodness, what I click. Right here, let me get something. I could use the share screen on my computer, but I just got home. And I don't know if you hear the music in the background, but there's a huge party going on. Anyways, let me click. Let me show you. Right there. Oh man. Right there. Hi. There's an arrow. Click that arrow. When you click that arrow, you should see these things. Then click the little 4 dots. And then this screen should pop up. And you can all have that set up like that as well. So, just real quick, that was it. Hope I helped those of you on the other side of the ocean, far, far, far away, that have been interested in buying the postcards. So I'm going to say goodbye on this one, and thank you so very much. And I'm going to catch up with you guys in a little bit with another video. Bye, guys.